Hello everyone, my name is Josh Roman. If you haven't met me yet, I'm the director at STMA, and I cannot wait to see you at the theater festival that we are going to be holding on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024. You guys, the day is going to be amazing. We have people coming from all over the state. We have teaching artists. We're going to have food trucks, college recruiters. We're going to have theater companies. We're going to have theater businesses, and it is just going to be a fun-filled day of theater to kickstart our year, and we're going to be doing some really awesome stuff. So I'm going to give you some basic information just so you guys are ready to go for this event. Here we go. First thing, what you need to know. You guys need to show up to the school between 8:30 and 9 a.m. on Wednesday, August 21st. You guys will show up, you will register. Registration's easy. You walk in, you tell us who you are, and we will give you a name badge. You will get a name badge, and it's going to have all this information about you on there, and it's going to be able to tell you all sorts of things. The name badge is also going to have 2 of these in there. One of them is going to be for a free ice cream cone at a food truck that we'll have during the lunch hour. Another one will be for the different food trucks that will be coming. If you guys want to know, all this information that I'm telling you and all the information about the theater festival is also going to be in the book that's linked in this email. So what I want you guys to do is look at that workshop book, and it's going to tell you all sorts of things for the day. Something else you need to know is we're providing lunch with those free coupons there that you'll be able to use at the food trucks. Final thing you need to know is that we're going to end at 5 p.m. Now, something else that you might want to know is what you could bring with you. All the different workshops are going to be asking you to do all sorts of different things. So you might be doing some movement and dancing and singing, so you might want to bring your water bottle. Speaking of dancing and set building and other things, you're going to want to bring some shoes that you can wear and be comfortable moving in. Something I'm really excited about is we are going to be having a free professional headshot booth set up. The first 45 students who sign up for this the day of the event are going to be able to get professional headshots. So if you're like, hey, I want to get headshots for free and I want them to be edited and sent to me, bring some clothes that you want to wear for that. We'll have some time for you to maybe change if you want to, or you can wear them so you guys can get your headshots taken. Something else you might want to bring is maybe some snacks. Maybe you get hungry all the time. I eat all the time. I like food. You should bring some food with you. Last thing, there's going to be some workshops that are going to have work on auditions. And so you might want to bring a monologue with you or a song that you want to audition with that you want to workshop and you want to kind of go through. The last thing that I'm going to need from you guys is to bring a device. If you can bring a device with you, we're going to be using it throughout the day to scan QR codes, to check into different rooms, and just do different things throughout the day. So if you have one, I'd love it if you could bring it with you. So what is the day going to look like? I want to show you guys this. I'm going to get myself off the screen here. This is the day. Now, I know you can't read it, and I know it's super complicated, and there's a ton of stuff going on here. What I want you to know is that there are different workshop times. If you look here, this is the first slot. In this slot here, these are all the workshops being offered at 9:30. Then we have the 10:15 slot, an 11, and the 12:30, a 1, so on and so forth. You guys, there are going to be workshops all day long. You're not going to be able to go to them all, so I want you guys to know what is being offered. So in the workshop book that you guys have, you guys are going to be able to click and read about these workshops and start picking out which workshops you are hoping to go to. Now, as you guys look at it, you're going to be able to find out all sorts of different things. So I want you guys to be able to see what this will look like. You guys will go to 7 workshops throughout the day. Now, there's over 70 options of workshops here, and you won't be able to go to them all. So I want you guys to think about, what do I want to go to? And then the day of, you guys have a plan of what you want to do. Last thing I want you guys to know here is I just cannot wait for you guys to come to the festival. I cannot wait to see you there. It's going to be on Wednesday, August 21st. Right now, we have almost 200 people signed up. We have room for more. Invite your friends. Show them the workshop book and be like, hey, you're a set builder. You should come. Look at this. There's 7 workshops just on set building and designing. There's makeup classes. There's acting classes, singing, dancing. You guys, we have classes all over the place. Adults, we have all sorts of adult-only workshops dealing with how to direct, how to fundraise. We have the Spotlight Education meeting going to happen at this event as well. So you guys, there's all sorts of different things for everyone to come to this festival. I can't wait to see you guys on August 21st at STMA High School.